Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Cut a straw and paste double-sided tape. Now cut it into half and make multiple cut like this. Roll it around the earbud and your flower is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers. We are going to cut this cylindrical shape and then make small pieces of the sticks, paste it around and tap the green clay inside. Your flower pot is ready. Let's make the flowers using earbuds. So color them, cut the tip and paste them together. Dab it inside the clay and look, it's ready. Fill the empty plastic box using pebbles and clay. Now we are going to make the flowers and stick using craft paper and pipe cleaners. Roll the pipe cleaners and dab it inside the clay. Paste the flowers and leaves and look, your beautiful craft is ready. Take this paper cup and make multiple cut. Now we are going to take a jute rope and braid it like this. So put it on the cuts and then make a basket like this. Cut the jute. Now we are going to collect some beautiful flowers and look, it's ready. Here we are going to cut the mask and then this yellow color of crepe paper as well. Paste double-sided tape and make multiple cut. Now roll both of them on this green stick, look like this. Similarly cut the sticks and paste it around this plastic jar and make the flower pot. You can use hot glue gun. Decorate it using this white lace. Look how pretty this is looking. Cut the plastic bottle and cover it using black foam net. Paste it using hot glue gun. Dab the green clay inside and then we are going to make the flowers. Cut them and make these colorful pom-pom balls. Paste it on the black twig using glue and look, it's ready. Fold this ribbon and cut it from the corners using lighter. We're going to paste the flowers like this and look, it's ready. So we're going to cut white and yellow strip of paper, fold it and then make multiple cut. We're using this wire, roll them together. The flower is ready. For a final look, we are going to cover it using green floral tape and it's ready. We're going to use these earbuds. So cut the tip of the earbud and make a flower. Color it like this. Now take some bamboo sticks, cut them into half and paste it around the bottle cap. Make a beautiful flower pot. Fill it with the green clay and tap all the flowers and look, it is ready. As you can see, we're going to cut this A4 sheet of paper and then paste it using double-sided tape. Roll this green paper and make a stick. Roll the flower on the top, cut the leaves, paste it and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.